Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue.
Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Type chkdsk/f/r:" and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Type C:" and hit enter to execute the command. Now we need to type cd space C:/ and hit enter to execute. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter to execute the command. Then type cd space System32 and hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy ** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback, then simply hit enter. Now type dir and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in copy space ** space ... and then hit enter. After that type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Type in bootrec space /fixmdr and hit enter to execute the command. Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter. Now type in cd space C:/ and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space Windows /system32/config/regback and hit enter to execute. Type bcd edit space /export space C:/bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Type attrib C:/boot/bcd-h-r-s and hit enter. Type in ren C:/boot/bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.